Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today I am going to show you one of the best collection of ladies crochet vest. Here you can see number of designs and number of colors of ladies crochet vests. And if you know the crochet work, you can take the idea of a pattern or the designs out of this pretty collection. But if you don't know the crochet work, then you can also purchase these vests online, and these vests are in your approach. You can make these vests a part of your wardrobe. It is very easy and simple for yourself. For this purpose, you have simply comment me and I will give you the complete process of purchasing these vests online. But if you know the crochet work and you can design such kind of vest by yourself, then you can just take the idea of pattern and the colors and designs out of this pretty collection. For and that purpose, please watch this video till end so that you go through all the stunning and beautiful designs of crochet vest for ladies. And any design will not miss you if you watch the video till end. Don't skip the video and watch it completely. Here you can see number of the beautiful colors, number of beautiful patterns, a number of beautiful designs, and you can make such kind of vest by yourself if you know the crochet work. These are designs are trendy, stylish, and latest designs of 2025 and 26. Here the variety of colors are available, and whatever color you like and whatever color you want to purchase or you want to make, you can select one of the color out of this pretty collection. Because in this video I have included very beautiful bright colored vest as well as a very sober and decent colors vest. Here you can see the different length of these vests. Some vests are short, which are very trendy today in this year, and also you can see the long vest which are also very stylish and which look very beautiful when you wear these vests. And you can tell me that which design you like the most, and which design you want to prepare for yourself or you want to buy for yourself. Watch this video till end and watch all the beautiful and stunning designs which I have included for you people. And for watching more videos like this and such type of videos, you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell button icon so you can get the notification of my every new upload. You can share this video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives, so that they can also watch this awesome collection, these trendy designs, and these beautiful vest. And if they want to prepare any vest or number of vests out of this pretty collection, they can make it, or they can take the idea of pattern, colors, and designs out of this pretty collection. And if they want to purchase these vests online, they can also purchase them. Please viewers, tell me in the comment section that which type of video you want to watch on my channel, because I upload the videos of fashion related to the ladies and related to the girls, and I try my best to show you beautiful and trendy and latest designs of the fashion 2025 and 2026. So you can comment me and tell me that which kind of or which type of videos you want to watch, for that I will make the videos of your choice. Viewers, you can also tell me that from which country, which city you belong, and you are watching my video, so that I can get the idea of my audience, and I can get the idea of my viewers that from where they belong and from where they are watching my video. These best are in fashion 2025 and 26 in both eastern and western countries. If you belong to the eastern countries, then you can make such type of vest for yourself, and if you belong to the western countries, this fashion is also trendy, and this fashion is also demanding in western countries. So you can also take the idea out of this pretty collection. These are the vest which can you wear in the winter season, and the wool vest, and these are very warm, very soft, very beautiful, very trendy and awesome collection. So viewers, you can also take the idea of a color combination out of this pretty collection, because I have selected a very trendy designs and very trendy color combinations of the vest in this my video. If you want to watch the kid girls crochet frocks, then I have made the video for kid girls crochet frocks also. And if you want to watch the ladies crochet frocks, you can tell me in the comment section. Then I will make the video of ladies crochet frocks also, because the ladies crochet frocks is also in fashion 2025 and 2026. So viewers, watch this video till end, and thank you so very much for your precious time for watching my video. Keep watching my video, keep sharing it, keep liking it, and keep visiting my video. Take a very good care of yourself. Goodbye till next video.